Hi guys, this video is to show you really quick how to take apart an iPhone 6 using our tool from CyberDocLLC.com. It's called the iPhOpener. Okay, so it basically is a dual-side, double-sided suction cup. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn up the phone first. This is the iPhone 6. I'm going to be doing a teardown review momentarily after the disassembly of this screen. There we go. So this is how you put on the phone before you do that, and that's how you take it out. You peer the suction cup. Before you do that, you need to take these two screws out in order to release the screen, and these are still the same pentalobe screw that Apple been using since iPhone 4. The surface I'm using is a very strong magnet. It's called Super Mag. Also, you can get it from CyberDocLLC.com. Okay. So put these two screws on the side, and now this is the part where this device becomes very handy. You just go in the center of it, and now you can simply just hold it. Use your left hand or right hand, whichever you use. The dominant hand should be on the side. Use one of your hand holding it on the top, because this is where the ribbon cable is at, and you don't want to damage that. And then you can pry it open like such, and that's it. 1, 2, 3. Well, it takes like less than a second for you to open this. Okay. And just peer open suction cup as such, and there you have it. You can open your iPhone simply by doing that very easily. And once this is opened by the iPhOpener, you want to slide the screen a little bit forward so you can get access to it. A little bit. You see over here, there's 3 retention clips. So you want to slide forward, like downward, like this way, and then you can flip over. Once it's loose, you want to flip over this way, and then you can access the screws here. Take out this entire EMT shield using a Phillips screwdriver. Before you do that, it's always a good idea. I know I already turned off my phone to take the battery out, because you never know what kind of charge can be holding it. This is where the battery connector is located. You need a very high quality screwdriver. Another good thing about this magnet mat is that you can charge your screwdriver as you go. Well, in this case, I'm holding it too close to the phone, so it's actually, you know, so I'm just get a stronger magnet for this job. There we go. You can also buy these little magnets from or wherever you get it, but you can get it from our website, CyberDocLLC.com. You can put on your screwdriver, and that will suck up the screw. I still think the screw might not be magnetic. In that case, use a tweezer. Some of the screws that Apple use are not magnetic. This one is, just got stuck. Use a tweezer and take it off. Here we go. Again, you have this ribbon cable for the touchscreen, home button, and digitizer here, and that's what you don't want to damage, and hence that's why it's very important for you to get these tools. The suction cup iPhOpener. It's just typing iPopener. Alright. So like I say, you want to take off the home button first. Oh, sorry, not home button. The battery first. I see a lot of YouTube video. A lot of people use their pry tools for this job. I strongly disagree and encourage you to use your fingernail instead, because you don't get tactile sensation using a pry tool. It's very dangerous when you opening up FPC connectors using a pry tool. So now, once the battery connector is disconnected, I can go on and take all the screws off on this metal shield. And it already become cumbersome because there's so many screws already, and plus these little parts. What you can do is get a Pro Mat. It's Pro Mat, stands for professional mat. It's basically a erasable magnetic mat that you can only get from CyberDocLLC.com at the moment. Alright, so you just hold this screwing with a block or something, in this case using iPhone box. And right now I'm gonna draw. So I don't have a screw chop mat ready for iPhone 6, and hence I'm doing this disassembling video. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw with a dry eraser marker, which comes with the Pro Mat when you buy it. I can draw the screw location. So these two are the pentalobe screws, and I just need a brief estimate of what how the logic board looks like. Just do a very cool one, and then you get a battery and get a bunch of other stuff. If you made a mistake in your drawing, you can always erase it out. There's no annoying lines in the center of the field, so you can draw however you like it. Alright, so you can place the parts onto the mat. This is stainless steel, so it's not magnetic, hence it's not gonna stick to it. The rest of the well, and you can put the corresponding screws onto the mats. It's very strong magnet, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah? Alright. See? It doesn't go anywhere. You can wiggle it, you can shake it all you want. This is like really high quality magnet. Okay, so keep this open, don't let it fall. You'll rip the ribbon cable if you're not careful. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to take these screws out. I already took one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, let's see this here. I'm going to draw the location of the shield, and I'm going to draw the location of the screws I can see and where I'm taking them off from. This way I'll be able to put them back in the same location. Since every screw is different in length, you don't want to mix them up. You can break your logic board if you're not careful. Alright? So, like, doing the iPhone repair is very simple. You just need a lot of patience, good hand and eye coordination, good eyesight, and a little basic understanding of electronics and circuitry. Stuff you learn from school, like physics. There we go. Now all the screws are off. I can then, there's one more screw here I missed, you see over here. It was not very obvious from looking from afar while I was making the camera, but once you zoom in and... Anyway, so if you're taking something apart, it's jammed or whatever, it just means there's another screw, and hence look for it. And as the additional screw that's not on my drawing, I can simply pick up my marker pen again, draw the location where I found that screw, and put the screw in the center of it. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And you can always put the part either directly onto the mat or on the side where the screw is located, and then hence you get a good picture of where you're going with this. You can make your own screw chart with this Pro mat. Again, this is CyberDocLLC.com. Alright, it's not a good location for it. And get your Pro mat today. And also you can get the iPhoneer for the screen. Okay, so again, use your fingernails. Make sure you're grounded. Hold yourself to a giant metal sink grounding. Make sure you wear a metal strap, or you have like a giant metal sink. My entire work table is made of stainless steel and it's conductive, so that will ground myself. Okay, use your fingernail. Never use the pry tool. That will just damage your. I cannot stress that more than enough. Well, if you do damage the conductor, that's good for me, because you end up sending it to me to repair. I can repair this FPC connector all day, but I really don't want you to break it in the first place. Why damage your iPhone with pry tool? Okay, so all this video out there, I don't know why they use the pry tools. For those people who do sell them, I understand, because they want to promote the product, so fine, they do that. But they're really bad for you. Unless you have really fat fingers and no fingernail whatsoever, then you're out of luck. I guess the pry tool is the only way for you to go, but then you're risking breaking these stuff. Again, you don't get the tactile sensation the same way you get it from your fingernails when you use a pry tool. That's why I never use. I have it. I have the plastic pry tool right here, but I'll never use it for a PC connector if I can help it. Unless it's a really impossible rich place, then I'll consider using it. They're just not good for you. Okay. You end up using too much force, but that's it. This is how you taking apart an iPhone 6 screen safely. A lot of YouTube video out there, they don't disconnect the battery. They don't even turn off the phone in the first place. Don't do that. Rest of the stuff they put up on the internet are pretty good, like taking out the screws and stuff. But that's not how you properly do it. Also, you wanna, before you disassemble the larger board and everything, you wanna take the SIM card out if there is one inside the phone at the moment. Okay, that's it. This is the short video. Mostly I'm just showing you how to use the iPhoneer. We sell two iPhoneer. We sell two different sizes. One is for iPhone, smaller, and the other one is for iPad. Obviously, has a bigger suction cup. If you compare it, yeah, it's a lot bigger. And when you're not using it, like this is very hard to separate because this is for iPad, much stronger. When you're not using it, put it in this orientation so the silicone suction cup doesn't get damaged. Yeah. So this is how you use it. Watch the video starting from the beginning, and once it's glued, this is a suction on. There's a little tab here. Just peel it open. If you don't get to here, use your fingernail and get open this way. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be doing a more detailed video showing you how to take the screen apart. I'll show you how to disconnect these screws, and there is a ribbon cable here for the home button right here that's connected through here, up here, to a connector that goes to the larger board. You want to be careful of that one, and that's about it. And there's a bunch of screws on the side for the screen, but So yeah, if you wanna see the full video on how to change the screen if all the little parts included, watch my other video that I'm about to make. But I need to go make a scan for these screens for my website. So for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Visit us at CyberDocLLC.com.